Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video guys, we will unbox vacuum cleaner that I bought from online. So let's open the box guys. So there's a instruction manual. So you must read the instruction manual so that you will know how to clean this kind of vacuum and to know the maintenance. And there's a warning, what they call the specification of this kind of vacuum. So what's in the box guys? Let's check what's in the box. So what is this? Here we go. First, this one. What is this? So this one, the extension rod. As you can see, you can extend this rod long or short. Okay, this is called extension rod because you can extend this one like this. See, you can make it short, make it long, like that. And next is, how about this one? They call it a floor brush. And you can use this one in the wood or in the mat because it's not hard. Look. And there's wheels. So this one is electric floor brush. The model is FB351 and then the voltage is DC 14.4 15 watts. Okay, next this one is crevice tool. So you can use this one. You can use this one in the other side. Use this one like this. Okay, like you can use this one in there's a specific area that it's hard for you to use, so you better use this one. And then how about this one? This one is the vacuum main body. This one, the vacuum main body. As you can see, you can open this one if there's a dust. Yeah, here the dust will come here. And just close like that. Okay, next is the wall hanger. You can hang that one. Make sure you have some stuff here. Just want to screw because you can hang that one in the wall after you finish use. And then of course there's a charger. So this is a charging cable. You can use any type of head of the you can buy a head of the charger. So it's inside only the charging cable. Okay, next some is screws and wall anchors. This one wall anchors. Okay. And this one is a wall hanger, because you can hang that one. Don't put everywhere, just hang. Okay, next is a floor brush. I think that's it. Yeah, that's what's in the box is it's all about. And then make sure you know the cleaning and maintenance of this vacuum. With that, it takes a long time to use it. And then that's it, guys. We will assemble this one. Okay, it's easy to assemble, guys, because you need just push this one. Actually, it's in the manual, this one. Yan. And then it's easy. Then just connect this one. Make sure you connect properly. Yeah, that's it. And then you can use it now. I'll try to use it.
Mom.
Yeah. As you can see, guys, there's a dust. Yep, there's a dust.
What is?
No, a dust. Just a dust.
Let's help.
Yeah. You need to take out the dust. Wait. Get out. You need to push this one, son. Yeah. And the dust is here. Okay, good. Yeah. It's easy to use, guys. It's not hard. You can use also in the floor, wood floor. And you can use also in the mat. Really clean. Zachary? Okay? Zachary, okay? Yeah? Yes? Yeah, my son loves to use it. Because there's a light.